Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're gonna be playing Dead by Daylight and Texas Chainsaw. So I am gonna compare both of them to see which game is better. So I am first gonna be playing Dead by Daylight first, and then we're gonna go to Texas Chainsaw and just compare them and see which one is better. So I never played Texas Chainsaw before, and I'm just gonna be my god. I know I am gonna suck, but it's alright. So we are gonna compare both of them and see which one is better. But first, we're gonna be playing Dead by Daylight. Okay, so we are gonna be playing Survivor, obviously. And we are gonna be Meg. I think we have... Okay, she has no med kits. So we're gonna try to get a med kit. Because med kits do really help. Okay, let's see if we get one at least. Okay. Rebecca. Okay, hopefully none of them are bots. Because every time when they're bots... I mean, some of them are good, I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully our team carries us. Because I feel like I carry every time. But we're gonna find out, so. Okay, who is the killer? Okay, let's see who's the killer. No, you guys, we got Mikael Myers again. I fucking hate Mikael Myers. Pinche Michael. Sure froze. Yo, my shit froze. Y'all saw that shit? Nah, that's stupid as fuck. My shit froze. That does not fucking count, you dumbass. Bro. Like that. Get her! Come on. That did not count, you bitch. Oh, he's not. Yo, my thing froze. That did not count. Let's heal before we die. Okay. Dude, my shit froze. That was not my fault. Okay, we're gonna go. Okay, there's nothing up here, bro. This was kind of stupid. Okay, let's go downstairs. Okay, shh. Okay, no, that takes us back. Someone's doing a gen here. Hey, I'm gonna help you. Oh, you need help? Let me heal you. Okay, I guess she doesn't want to be healed. I told her, but she doesn't want to be healed. To be honest, the killer that we have, low-key, like, it was kind of hard, not gonna lie. Oh my god, I almost fucking missed that shit. Oh, fuck. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do it. He got her ass. Wait. He's gonna bring her. Let's try to hide. Oh, he took her over there. Okay, let's go. Might as well do that one. Don't unhook yourself. Freaking dummy. Let's try to unhook herself. I'll finish it for both of us. I'll get you right now in a bit. I almost missed that. No. You missed, dumbass. That shit. What the fuck is that? You missed, bitch! You stupid ass whore. Obviously the hook was right there. Dude, I was almost finished with it. Thank you, honey. Can you heal me? Come over here. Fuck. gosh. Okay, the gen over there, we were almost finished with it. Okay, we're gonna finish this one. Hey, she's going to it though. She's going to it. I'll help you. Bro, we need at least one done. Or at least two. Okay, we're almost finished with this one though. Okay, I'll finish it again. Bro, you could have dead ass. Oh my god, she's stupid. Bet. We finished one. Let's do the one over here. Let's do it here. God damn. Where is he? He's gone. Is he gone? Go, let's go, let's go. Am I just carrying? Bruh, y'all need to do a gen at least. God damn, he's gonna see me. He's gonna see me, he's gonna see me. Tell him to push this. I'll save you right now. You know, I'll just save her. Might as well. Might as well. Nobody's going to save her. Actually, they're gonna save her. I don't know. Y'all do that and I'll do this. Wait, I'm sorry. Are you stupid? Oh my gosh. They suck. They suck. Oh, he got her out. Ah! Run, ho! I got you. Go, go, guard, guard, guard. Oh, I was okay. Never mind. I'll go through here. I'm going through the back to do the gen. Oh, they suck. You know what? I'll fucking carry the team. Come here, stupid. I mean, you got one hook, so. Run the stupida. Better run that hole. He's coming. She did. Ya casi acabo con esto. Sí se puede. Sí se puede. If he comes, where do I hide? God damn. God damn. So me and that girl really have one hook. We could carry this. We could actually do this, bro. Okay, is he gonna come here? Come on, come on, come on. I'm getting scared. Guys. If I would... I'm fucking done. Bro, leave me alone, you nasty ass. Woo! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Run, 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 run. Let's go upstairs. We're gonna go upstairs. We're upstairs. Hopefully it's a med kit. Medkit? What the fuck is a flashlight? We're fucking. I'll smite myself. Let's go. Before I die. I was about to die, but I didn't do that. Oh my gosh, I'm a dumbass. Bitch, just do this one. Fuck. Bitch, I'm dead. If he gets me, I'm dead. I need to get her. He's over there. Let's just do it. Did her dumbass leave the fucking game? Fucking idiot. Oh my fucking gosh. I fucking hate people like that. Might as well fucking find the hatch. No, let's just try to find the hatch, might as well. This bitch literally left. Stupid ass. Let's find the hatch. Find the hatch. Where's the hatch? Do I hear him? Am I tripping out? Fuck me. I'm fucked, you guys. Where? Just kill me, bro. Might as well kill me. Okay. Oh, he's cool. He's cool. Oh my god. He's letting me. Watch him kill me when I go. No. Wait, then what gonna do? Wait, what? No, you have to grab me. No, let me fight. What is he doing? Wait. Do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, he's cool. Thank you, honey. Mwah. Yeah? Oh my god, I made it! Dude, okay. He was like trolling me, but at least we did it. Bro, because my fucking teammate left me. I fucking hate when people do that. Okay, they better fucking carry me. I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Bro, can you fucking press ready? Have y'all tried these? You guys can't even see it. Oh, fuck. There you go. It's this. Bro, I've never beat this map before. I swear I never beat it. Who's the killer though? Hey, bitch. Snake. Wait, it's the ring girl. Fuck that bitch. It's the ring. Let's look at the TVs right there. I think. No, it's not. I don't think it's on. Never mind. I'll bet. Are we gonna finish this one? I feel like we are. Oh damn. You're a fucking idiot! Oh my gosh. And we're so close, you're gonna F it up? Dumbass. Okay. Come, bitch. Okay. Bitch, I'm running this. I am running. Is there a gen here? I'm gonna do the one all the way far back. Oh yeah, there's one over there. Yeah, we're doing that one. I'm doing this one alone, I guess. Someone needs to save him. I'm doing my job. Oh, they're healing. Okay, well, I'm doing a gen. Oh my. Let me finish this and I'll save the guy. Oh, they saved him. Okay, never mind. I'm almost finished. We're gonna go and run it. We're gonna go and run it. Fuck yeah! Oh my god, I got something in my eye. Okay, we need 3 more. Where's the other one? Is there one in here? I see you. Get your ass down here. Right here, come here. Right here. Bitch! I was gonna heal you, gun. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so fucking sorry. Bro, you got 2 hooks. What the fuck? What the hell? Dude, what the hell? Pinche my phone. What? Come here. Run, bitch! I'm behind you! Go, 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 go! Go! Run, run, run! Go, go, go. Heal her, heal her, heal her! Dude, what the fuck? He fucking scared me. You're good, you're good. Ah! Oh! Fucking bitch. Leave me alone! Yeah, what's up? Fuck out. Yeah. Fuck out! No! Run! Run! I sacrificed my whole life. Now. None of them are doing gen. None of them are doing gen. I carry you guys. I did not carry you guys. Bitch, I said come here, stupid. Yo, where's he at? Thank you. Okay, I got hooked once. Someone behind me? this one. Okay, someone's doing one, I'm doing one. Okay, we just have to keep a lookout because he like literally like spawns behind you. Fuck you, bitch! You lost me. Okay, I need someone to heal me. I need someone to heal me. Bruh, they were almost done. All of us are hurt. Over here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Fucking bitch! Yeah, he's dead. I'm a fucking fuck you. Fucking asshole. Dude, I was dead ass carrying the team. Over here, over here. Come. Come over here. Thank you. Okay, she only has one hook. Thank you. Oh, damn, you missed that shit, bitch. Oh! Dead. I felt like I'm absolutely dead. Go around. Is someone's almost finished with the gen? He's such a bitch, bro. He's fucking ruining all my progress. I bet he's gonna come where I am, okay. I feel that. I wouldn't doubt it. Run. We're running. Run. Fuck, what the fuck? Fuck, I don't know what to do. I'm scared. He's dead. He's gonna come find me. I wouldn't doubt it. Let's go around. Let's go around. Girl, heal. Fuck. Bitch. Oh my god, you have to fall like that. Get the fuck up and run! Of course. Bitch. You get. Idiot. Bet you need to heal yourself. He's right there, he's right there. Sword? Let me recover, let me recover. No, no. Oh my god, that bitch better run. She better run, she's dead. I feel like she's dead. Fuck! Damn. Damn. No! 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 This is not you, Michael. Michael, this is not you. Oh my god, he's just trolling us. Get her! Oh my gosh. Oh, damn, we got her last second. Oh my god. Wait, he's letting her? What the fuck is he doing to her? Nah.
Oh.
Wait, help me! No! Help me! No! No! Oh, she died. Damn, she dead. Bro! Oh my god, he's such a freaking troll. Wow. Wow. Okay, next up is Texas Chainsaw. Ooh, Texas Chainsaw. Play. Okay, we're gonna play this one. Play and I wanna be a victim. I'm always a victim, so Okay, finally. So we're gonna be. Who the fuck are we? People say who's good, Julie or Anna? I'll click her. Damn, she a baddie. She a baddie. There you go.
Good luck. Good luck. Have fun. Good luck. Have fun.
The fuck?
Devil's River off Highway 160.
Oh my god, guys, I don't know what to do. Stay quiet and hidden.
Stumbled upon the scene while hunting early yesterday morning.
Find usual items.
Authorities have confirmed this is approximately the same location
Unlock exits.
were discovered last June. All of the victims
Escape
appear to
the
have been
family.
stabbed and strangled to death. Although the cases have
Oh, look at, bro, look at my body. Okay. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Okay, okay. So I guess I've seen videos of this, like people play this. I guess when you make noise, people hear you. Mister, you need to get out of there. I'm scared. I'm gonna go here.
Can I fit?
Yes, you can. So how do I get out of here? Okay. Crouch.
Find the others.
Am I running? Okay, this is how you run faster. Okay, we got health. And then I guess when you move those bones, you could hear people. I mean, those bones, I guess I could hear you.
Maybe through here?
Shut up. Okay. We need to go get this. I think we need to get it like a pit lock or something. So we could open the door. I'm not trying to make noise so they can't hear me. Unlock 2. Okay, we got a lockpick. I said pick lock? My fucking dumbass. Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, where's the doors to escape? What is this place? Dude, this is... Where the fuck am I? Okay, we survived for 1 minute.
Is anything I can use?
Bitch, I hear somebody. Oh, hell no. Hell no. Bitches, get the fuck out of here. Miss, dumbass. Go. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. Run! Run! I can't see! No. Come on.
I'm here.
Hey! I hear you. You guys, how do we get out of here? Who is that? Oh my god, we're hiding. Dude, I think that's the killers. No!
Get her if you die.
Oh, are you serious? How do we get out of there? Wow. Beautiful. Anna. We're gonna be Anna.
Texas is finally in custody tonight. Authorities followed a tip that led them to a deserted motel outside Bryan, where they caught the man in the act of subduing 36-year-old Kelsey Keogh. The man, whose name is being withheld, claimed he had felt
What the fuck? Why is she opening the door like that?
the murders that have plagued the eastern part of the state since last
Okay, let's try to escape. Oh my god, look how pretty I look.
What happened? Where am I? What's that
Oh,
over
here.
there?
Babe. I thought someone died already.
Connie! What's going on? Stay quiet. What is this place? I'm here. Keep moving, Connie. I wonder where
Go,
this
go, go, go.
goes. Leland, help me.
Go.
Connie! Oh my god. We gotta move. Williams!
Oh my god, all of us are here together.
God, I found you!
I need to escape. Okay,
It's locked.
we need a picklock.
Oh god. Do they hear me?
No. Loud.
I'm following you, bitch. I don't know where I'm going. Look.
Wait. What's that?
Come on, come on, come on. We need to escape.
Hell are these people? What is this?
I hear him like to my right side.
Think. Think. What do I do? What do I do?
Yo, I'm like focused.
Okay, Anna. Just find another way. There has to be a way out of here. Just be smart.
Too bad, Grandpa. He was the best there ever was.
Come on, come on, come on. Climb, climb, climb. Drop, drop, drop. Bitch. Bitch. Run. Yeah. Wrong side. I came from the wrong side. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, I opened it from the wrong side.
Are they gone? God, I hope they're
Is everybody still alive?
Stop it, Anna.
Let's go.
Why won't you leave me alone?
I need a pick lock.
Down. Okay, Anna. Stay calm. Pay more attention, Anna.
Shut up. Okay, where's the doors? Oh, hell, that shit twitching out.
Yes. Are they gone?
From the basement? Where?
I think I'm okay.
Bitch, where? Where'd it escape? How'd it escape? It's right here? Oh my gosh, where did they escape?
Please, let this stuff be safe.
Someone escaped from the basement.
Please, God, help me. It seems I've lost them.
What the fuck? They're over there. Oh. Bruh. We hide? Come on. What do we need to escape though?
Did I lose them? Please, God, let them be gone. Too loud.
Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh shit. Bye, bitch. Oh my god. Come on. 3. Come on. He saw me. Okay, we're gonna run it. Hide. Come here, stupid. Honey. I'm gonna heal you.
Get away from me.
Sword? Sword? Oh my god, come on. Come on. Come on! Y'all.
others are okay.
Okay, so we're back for more reading. Let's just keep still. Okay, the girl turned off the. Let's go, let's go. She turned off the gen.
Did they really leave? I don't know about this.
Oh my god, make sure doesn't see me. Oh my gosh, you guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Dude, this is like a really... Yeah, I'm dead. Y'all, this is complicated. Damn. Honestly, I think Dead by Daylight is better than Texas Chainsaw because the villains change up every time. Like every match, there's always a new villain, so that's what makes it fun. And for Texas Chainsaw, it's like the same villain. It's just Leatherface and just the 3 other villains of the family. And for Dead by Daylight, there's always like new characters that you could pick. There's like plenty of characters you could choose. And you could buy other characters like Ada. And they always have different perks. Whatever character you pick, there's always different perks that they have. And for Texas Chainsaw, it's the same characters. I think there's only like, I'm not sure, like 5 characters. I didn't quite pay attention to it. I think like 5 characters. They do have perks, but just nothing crazy. But one thing I do like about the characters, they run fucking fast. And for Dead by Daylight, they have cool maps. They have like really scary maps, so that's what makes it fun. And for Texas Chainsaw, I haven't seen all the maps that they have, but they are really scary. There's so many spots that you could hide. You could hide in the bushes, and also you could throw yourself in like this freaking tunnel. It's funny. That's what's funny about Texas Chainsaw. That's what I like about it, because you could fucking yeet yourself in the fucking tunnel when they're like coming after you. Scariness, to be honest, I think I get more scared playing. I think Texas Chainsaw is more scary because you have 4 people coming at you, so if you're the only person left, 4 of them are gonna fucking come and kill you. And for Dead by Daylight, it's like just 1 villain, but I think Texas Chainsaw, it's more scarier. But I do say Dead by Daylight is better for me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And comment down below which one do you like better, Dead by Daylight or Texas Chainsaw. Make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below what other games you guys want me to play and what other videos you guys want me to do. But I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye.